Here's how to fix the failed to load onlinefix64.dll error code 126. First, go to your Steam library, right-click the affected game, select Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan for missing or corrupted files and re-download them automatically. Check if this resolves the issue. If not, open your browser and search Download onlinefix64.dll. Click the first reliable result and choose the version matching your system, 64-bit for most modern PCs. Download the zip file, extract it, and open the folder. Right-click the onlinefix64.dll file and click Copy. Go back to Steam, right-click the game, select Properties, then Installed Files, then Browse to open the game folder. Right-click in an empty space and paste the DLL file directly into the game folder. The error should now be resolved. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.